54% of Americans believe that global warming is mostly caused by human activity. 70% of Americans believe that it's real in the first place. Popular discussion in the media in recent years has been the controversial topic of global warming. Is it man-made? Can we help it? Is it even real? I'm here to clear up some muddy waters on this touchy topic. All of those questions I just asked have an easy answer, and that's yes. Whatever your views on global warming and climate change, I assure you it's worse than you think. Our ignorant bliss and materialistic ways are going to be destroyed by crashing waves of the warm waters of climate change if we aren't careful. I'm here to bring you a sad truth. We as the human race have ignorantly created a monster. But there's good news too. We have the power to kill him. In order for you to understand what I'm going to tell you, a few terms need to be defined. The first is greenhouse gas. A greenhouse gas is a gas in the atmosphere that absorbs and emits thermal infrared radiation. These gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. The term ozone layer refers to a layer of Earth's atmosphere, the lower part of the stratosphere, which protects the sun from harmful UV rays by absorbing the sun's radiation. What does that mean to you? The ozone layer is vital to humans, plants, and animals because it absorbs 97 to 99% of the sun's radiation, which would kill exposed life forms otherwise. The ozone layer depletes by about 4% yearly. The EPA has documented an increase in skin cancer, cataracts, and plant damage, all due to ozone depletion. The ozone hole exists over the South Pole and is causing glacier melting and affecting currents worldwide. The hole stretches seasonally to cover southern parts of Australia, New Zealand, Chile, Argentina, and even South Africa. This has been a cause for worry for many people that the hole will eventually stretch across the globe, and at this rate, it will. Possibly in our lifetime, but more certainly in later generations. So how are greenhouse gases and ozone layer connected? The emission of greenhouse gas is what is causing the holes in the ozone layer. In the news the past few days has been a statement from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. They use the strongest words yet on this issue by saying it's very likely, about 95%, to be man-made. They dismiss the fact that in the past 15 years, global warming has slowed by saying that when dealing with a large time span, like since the 1950s, there are going to be chaotic variations. They warned of more rapid ice melt and rising sea levels if governments don't choose to act soon and aggressively to reduce the pace of greenhouse gas emissions. The past 3 decades have been the hottest since 1850. Carbon concentrations have increased 40% since then. Carbon, methane, nitrous oxide are all at levels unprecedented in the last 800,000 years. Those are scary numbers, and they come from the top climate scientists in the world who have devoted their life the past 23 years to global warming. The EPA has put out some scary statistics as well, and predictions for the future of our population. Health risks in our area include a 15% increase in heat-related deaths. If you're thinking, how can we stop emitting gases like methane and carbon dioxide? Then you're on your way to a healthier environment and a healthier Earth we can leave when you're gone. You can start by cutting back on fossil fuel emission. In the U.S., individuals release over 10,000 pounds of carbon dioxide per person every year. Reducing your use of gasoline, oil, and coal will also make a huge impact. You can do this easily by purchasing a hybrid or electric car and not using any coal-burning products. Next, you can reduce your usage of electricity around the home and by energy-saving appliances. Of course, recycling is an easy and efficient way to become environmentally friendly. Investing in solar panels is a cost-effective and worthwhile purchase that will lower your payments and electricity usage. All these are simple ways to help your environment and create a safer planet for generations to come. Thank you.